Hey guys, this is Team Uncased, and this time we are back again with a movie review of a movie that really tested our patience during this time. This movie is called Love Aajkal.
I don't know where to start. Like 2020, bushfires, coronavirus, and Love Aajkal. you know, I don't know what people are thinking, dude. Like it's just insane. Like to the 2009 one, I had to watch the 2009 one again after watching this just to be like, okay, no, Love Aajkal in my head should still refer to that movie and not this movie. Like it was, I don't know why they would make it. Like just simply I don't know. Like, whoa, maybe she's getting launched again and again in every movie. Maybe that's why they wanted Lawak, or maybe they thought, okay, Saif Ali Khan was in the first one, so Sara Ali Khan, it makes perfect sense. But no, it didn't make any sense.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah. I mean, like 2009 one was came out actually when we were like in what 10th standard. Yeah,
yeah,
and that was a game changer of a movie. Like it was so different. It was such a different concept, and to watch Saif and Deepika Padukone in that movie, the storyline, Rishi Kapoor especially, like that was such a great experience, which turned out to have been ruined by this version of it. I don't know why this came out, like, but as you said, they thought it would make perfect sense to have Sara Ali Khan, who is the daughter of Saif Ali Khan, to be there in the movie, but actually it didn't make any sense. Because yeah, I mean, like, yeah, we can discuss that later in the video. But yeah, starting with the story of the movie, where it shows a millennial life, basically, like people who are born in the late 1990s and early 2000s. So she is Sara Ali Khan's character is named Zoe, who is a 23-year-old, driven, motivated, career-oriented, and everything else that you think one should be, basically. She's an event planner with no experience or anything, looking out for a job or a event planning company that she has. She has a plan, basically, for age up to 55, from starting from her career and everything. And yeah, she is a driven, motivated person, but then her character doesn't have any of those traits, even though the movie tries really hard to show that she is a
आप प्लान्स भी बनाती हैं
55 years पर रिटायरमेंट तक मेरा पूरा प्लान रेडी है.
Zoe's character and Sara Ali Khan's acting both are annoying, but then there is even more annoying character in there called Kartik Aaryan, who plays not one but two roles. Like uh, एक सहन हो नहीं रहा था कि उसने एक और डाल दिया. There is Randeep Hooda, who I really feel sorry for, because he doesn't deserve this in the movie, and like in the same casual Sunday wala feeling, and he's basically the older version of Kartik Aaryan जो उदयपुर में होता है. Now Kartik Aaryan has like two storylines to perform in, which hardly have any difference among them. Uh, एक 1990s में और एक 2000s में 2020 में basically जो one he's in Udaipur and he's like shy boy in school who has a crush on a girl, and he just stalks her basically. So that's like Bollywood का फंडा कि मतलब अगर तुम stalk करोगे तो बंदी पड़ जाएगी.
love in 90s.
And unfortunately वही चीज वो 2020 में भी करता है. He literally stalks that girl. So comparison करके देखें तो like his 2020 वाला character feels like there is a TV series called You, which has a similar kind of a character. जिसमें जो main protagonist है, he follows a girl because he thinks she is special, but he turns out to be a serial killer. And the way Kartik Aaryan is behaving in the movie, मेरे को लगता है कि it would have been even better कि अगर उसको कोई serial killer का role भी दे देते तो थोड़ा dark बन जाती movie.
And your name was a glorious place to start. Not a lot of Guinevere Becks. And there you were. Every account set to public. You want to be seen.
googled things that millennials do and उनको बोला okay आज करेंगे okay like you know top 15 things that millennials do, maybe they went out to shoot and they're like okay आज ये वाला करेंगे, आज ये वाला करेंगे, सब एक साथ डाल देंगे and then Randeep Huda, you do whatever you want. इसका अलग ही चलता है, कभी भी कुछ भी बोलते हैं. First he will say okay, he will tell Sara Ali about his story, which she's probably taking as okay, this is what he did, so this is what I do. And then she does the same thing, and the next day he's like, oh, why is she doing this? And like, there's no connect. Like, there's some random stuff that's happening. Like, I don't know, dude. I'm like scarred after watching this movie. Like, I haven't felt this way since I watched, what was it, Hum Shakals, I think.
Yeah, I mean like अगर वो देखेंगे तो it's like what? Yeah, as you said, Randeep Huda, random stories. Like first of all, काम से मतलब रखो नहीं. He observes these two people fighting outside his cafe, and then he's like, मुझे इनको ज्ञान देना ही पड़ेगा क्योंकि मुझे ज्ञान देना है.
Because he doesn't have any work.
Yeah, क्योंकि वो कैफे का ओनर है तो उसके पास कोई काम नहीं है. He's like, आज भाई इसको ज्ञान देगा. And he goes ahead और like ज्ञान देता भी है तो क्या ज्ञान देता है. पहले इज लाइक मेरे को बहुत प्यार था बंदी से, बंदी के लिए मैं अपना शहर छोड़ के चला गया. एंड देन फिर मैं दिल्ली आया एंड देन आई वाज लाइक शिट, यहाँ तो इतनी सारी बंदियां है, व्हाई एम आई ऑलवेज बंदी, मैं हर बंदी के साथ जाऊंगा. एंड लाइक द होल स्टोरी चेंजेस. और Sara Ali is like over-excited in the movie. Like she has taken some adrenaline shots or something. She's like always jumping, always happy, and like always super excited. Like कौन इतना excitement में रहता है भाई? मतलब ठीक है, समझते हैं कि तुम.
Oh, this is like that Hrithik Roshan from remember that मुझसे
Yeah,
दोस्ती
Hrithik
करोगी.
Roshan की initial movies
What
जैसे
what is it? मुझसे दोस्ती करोगी और
मुझसे
what
दोस्ती
movie?
करोगी, मुझसे दोस्ती
Yeah.
करोगी. हाँ, that हाँ मतलब उसी टाइप का कैरेक्टर है कि मतलब हमेशा इतना खुश कौन रहता है भाई, और इतनी पार्टी कौन करता है. एंड लाइक हर बार पार्टी में जाओ, दारू पियो, नाचो, पार्टी करो, दारू पियो, नाचो. मतलब मिलेनियल्स का लाइफस्टाइल यही है. मतलब भले ही वो लोग ऐसा नहीं करते हो बट ऐसा ही है.
And ऐसा भी नहीं है कि Friday night या ऐसा कुछ.
मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे सब चलता है. एवरीथिंग इज फाइन. Randomly उसका इंटरव्यू होता है एंड शी इज करियर ओरिएंटेड एंड ऑल एंड शी इग्नोर्स कार्तिक आर्यन जो नया वाला 2020 का कैरेक्टर है जिसका नाम वीर होता है. या she ignores him because she wants to concentrate on her career because her mom and dad have like separated and they live their different lives. वाला सीन रहता है जिसके अंदर she is like मुझे तुम्हारे माली का बिल देने के लिए भी तुम्हारे पापा से पूछना पड़ता है. and then she bursts up.
So basically she's living on alimony is what she's saying, right? कि वो she doesn't make any money, she's not working,
Yeah.
so she's अरे now you should work and you should pay my mali.
बेसिक आइडिया वही है कि तुम्हें माली को पेमेंट करना है. And like
ये घर
that,
कौन चलाएगा?
yeah.
माली को पे करने के लिए तुम्हारे बाप की बैंक ट्रांसफर का वेट करती हूँ मैं.
एंड उसकी एक बहन भी रहती है जिसकी भी ऐसी कुछ स्टोरी होती है पर वो किसी को पूछना नहीं होता है. शी इज
हाँ,
जस्ट
there is no like
कुछ नहीं.
वो रैंडम ऐसे दो चार स्टोरी लाने ना इसमें. she was like अरे इसकी दोस्त के साथ, इस तेरी दीदी के साथ भी ऐसा ही हुआ, but they never tell कि क्या हुआ.
क्या हुआ, बस तुम समझ जाओ कि कुछ हुआ है. लाइक समझ लो यार.
The air is pink and the sky is purple. ये मेरे साथ भी हो चुका है, इसके साथ भी हो चुका है, और अब तुम्हारी बारी है.
Okay, I'm confused. To make a connection between both of them, it's shown that both of their parents have like unhappy marriages. Like कोई लॉजिक नहीं है but then दिखा दो.
Just कि अरे कुछ तो बेस बनाना है ये सब कॉन्वर्सेशन का.
Yeah, like इसको Asperger's syndrome है, that is why he is shaky and he has commitment phobia also because इसके पेरेंट्स की भी लाइफ अच्छी नहीं है and उसके पेरेंट्स की लाइफ तो पहले ही अच्छी नहीं है. So both of them should be compatible. Like लॉजिक कहीं और विंडो से चला गया है but okay.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean like so if you don't want to watch different movies like Swades, Love Aajkal, old one, Jab We Met, Cocktail, and few other movies, इन सब का ये सीन्स अगर देखने हैं तो यू कैन एक्चुअली पिक अप दिस मूवी एंड जस्ट वॉच इट बिकॉज 2 घंटे में और क्या ही देख सकते हैं.
You want to punish somebody, make them
या
watch this movie. Like
या और
that
अगर
entire movie summed up in that last end credits wala song, which is called "हाँ मैं गलत." Like that's the whole movie. Like सही mainly की गलती ही की ये movie बना के and like also देख के, and I don't know, like a lot of scenes I just felt like कि पता है, like I'm sure actors को भी पता होगा कि ये क्या है, like ये fuck all है, क्यों है ये.
आई मीन लाइक ठीक है, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड लाइक कि मिलेनियल्स को मतलब they are a bit confused about life and there is a lot of availability of sex and drugs and everything else, but हर मिलेनियल ऐसा नहीं होता है भाई, मतलब
और रोज नहीं कर रहे हैं.
हाँ लाइक ठीक है, मिलेनियल्स को दिखाना है कि कंफ्यूज्ड है, बट यू आर नॉट इवन एबल टू कनेक्ट कि वहाँ पे यू आर नॉट एबल टू रिलेट टू कार्तिक आर्यन बिकॉज कार्तिक आर्यन तो स्टीरियोटाइप हो चुका है. ही हैज स्टीरियोटाइप्ड हिमसेल्फ कि मुझे ऐसे
सारी
ही
मूवी
रोल करना है. या लाइक यू पिक एनी ऑफ हिज मूवीज, कुछ वैरायटी नहीं है. लाइक अनटिल अनलेस वो कुछ अलग करे, यू कैन से दैट उसकी हर मूवी में एक ही रोल होता है.
Yeah,
And-
the variety was his first movie. That Pyar Ka Panchnama series was the variety.
या
Abhi
उसके बाद इट्स द सेम टोन दैट ही हैज मेंटेन. और इसमें बस यही डिफरेंस था कि ही डिड नॉट हैव दैट लॉन्ग मोनोलॉग जो उसका ट्रेडमार्क बन गया है, जो हर मूवी में होता है. बट यहाँ पे वो नहीं था थैंकफुली, बट इट वाज टॉर्चरस टू वॉच हिम परफॉर्म. आई हैव नो वर्ड्स.
that's like, if somebody wants to watch it, then please do at your own risk. But you know, it's like
Totally.
you want to
We do not recommend it. Like, we watched it because we thought, okay, this movie gets a lot of negative reviews. Let's try and watch it. And the irony of it was this movie was actually released on Valentine's Day on Valentine's Day this year. So I don't know what the couples actually went through when they decided to watch this movie and what they felt after coming out of this movie. It's good to follow trends, but then you have to understand the trend to follow the trend in the first place. Millennials को इतना बुरा दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है भाई. It's
क्या ही दिखा है. Anyway, I mean, if you guys are trying to utilize your weekend, hopefully, you know, or whenever you watch this video, maybe watch something else and not the movie. You know, if you want to watch something, SpaceX is docking with the International Space Station as we're recording this, so you guys might see this a little later. But watch that because India is going to have manned missions coming up in the next or starting in 2 years or so. So yeah, let's build up that hype. At least something worth watching, and not that's what millennials hopefully will do.
yeah. After like say 5 or 10 years, कुछ लोग ये भी कहेंगे कि this could be a cult movie and stuff like that. But I hope
No.
ऐसा दिन ना आए.
It's not Andaz apna in any way. Then after 10 years, people are like, "Arey, wo cult movie tha." No, dude, this is, I don't know.
अगर ऐसा हो गया तो बहुत बुरे दिन आ गए. But yeah, so
Maybe they'll have another Love Aajkal then.
yeah, maybe. कार्तिक आर्यन के बारे में कुछ बोलने के लिए है नहीं. लाइक ही हैज टू ब्रेक आउट ऑफ द मोल्ड दैट ही हैज बिल्ट फॉर हिमसेल्फ. एंड सोहा अली खान की ओनली क्वालिफिकेशन अगेन
Sara.
Sorry again, it's all the same family, so it doesn't really count. But yeah, Sara Ali Khan.
Family में ही चल रहा है आजकल.
Yeah, so she, I don't know, like couple of movies she was okay, she was bearable, but यहाँ पे she is unbearable. Like maybe she needs to just go back to the basics and like come back with something good, or maybe find a better story. And Imtiaz Ali, like जो भी वो फूक रहा था उसकी क्वालिटी खराब हो गई. He needs to find that again. To find the thing, the mojo that he has lost with this movie. So yeah, save yourselves. Try avoiding this movie. And yeah, coming week we will try to not review thing like this and pick up something that is worthwhile and worth watching instead of doing any of this, especially with all these things happening with SpaceX, as Ankur already mentioned about SpaceX, and also there's a different age now. The way movies are being released, it's all platforms which are now releasing movies directly instead of theaters. So there are a lot of movies coming our way. So we'll pick one of them and save your time and give you better suggestions and try to save you from movies like this by taking the pain on ourselves. So yeah, that's about it from our end. We will come back with better things in the coming days. Till then, you can follow us on Instagram and YouTube.